Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a finger heart. So this was actually a request from this wonderful person right here. If there's ever anything you would like to learn how to draw, please leave a comment and let me know what it is, and I would be glad to show you how to draw it. All right, so let's get started. Let's start with a line like this, kind of a slanted line. And then I'm starting to curve my line here. And then we're gonna go a little bit straighter here. Still, and by straight, I mean slanted. Still slanted. And we can come on up a little bit further and then start to curve. And then come on back down. And keep on going. And I'm gonna stop about right here. Now, where we started this little bit of a bend, a little bit above that, let's do a little bit of a hill. And then we can bring this line down and stop it a little bit past or around about where we stopped right here. And then our next one, we'll come on down. And then we stopped it a little bit further than right there. And then let's do another little hill and bring that down. And now I'm going to do a little bit of a line right here. And then I'm going to do a little itty bitty line right there. See, very tiny. Now over here, let's draw a line right here. So it's almost like we have a bit of a triangle. Now this line is going to continue past this finger here, and we're going to have a thumb. So we're curving, and then we can come on down like that. Here on this finger, we can do a little bit of a nail. If you want to add a nail, you can, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Just kind of helps to make your picture look like a bit more of a realistic hand if there's some fingernails, but that's up to you. Now I'm going to do a knuckle right here. So it's a nice little curve. And for this one, we're going to do another little knuckle. Same for right here. Bit of a hill, or I guess an upside down hill, so a little hole. And over here, same thing, like that. Now, I'm going to slant downward right here, and then do a little curve. It's going to be like the palm of the hand. And from this knuckle here, I'm going to kind of do a little slanted line. And then I'm going to curve upward. And then right here, kind of below and a little bit to the end of this last knuckle here, I'm going to start drawing the wrist and the arm. So we can bring that line down. And over here, we can kind of slant this line downward. It's not totally straight. This one's a little bit slanted. Like that. Now, we can do, if we want, you don't have to, but I'm going to add a little heart. So curve like that on one side, and same on the other side. And bring it down where they meet there at that point. All right, so there we go. Now we've got our drawing done, and I'm going to start adding some color. All right, so we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the most wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!